You see this car? This car is going for 5.2 million naira. This car is going for 5.2 million naira. You don't get problem at all. You don't work. You don't work. You don't get problem at all. But the person will get small family issue. Family people they pursue him up and down. You don't use the car, get small accident. You don't get issue. Just come buy and drive. Carry the problem go. You know understand? 5.2 million naira. You see this one was 10 million naira, 10 million, but this one is sold, you know there again. Another customer don't buy and you fast and buy your own. This one is 2014 model. Is it Toyota? This one is Peugeot. Yeah, this one is Peugeot. It no cost at all. This one is 6 million naira. It no cost. It's a 2006 model. It no cost at all. But the person will get, I be like say, you get police people, you get police case, you get police here and police they get problem. Now you want seller. Yeah. The car, be like say police they find the car. One seller 6 million naira. It no cost. Yeah. It's a follow company. It's a follow company. No mind the paint, no mind this one. A small scratch where police the pursue. You leave a scratch, you know understand. But it's going for 6 million naira. Don't play, don't come on, come close. Don't play. This one is Renault. This one is Renault. This one now Renault 2022 model. This one is going for 5.5 million naira. 5.5 million naira. See, no cost. The owner user, family people, village people, they pursue small. You can use and get small as that one no concern you. Now 6 in short now 4 million naira, 4 million naira. Now first body, see ya. Say buy and drive, see ya. The owner get, I don't know, now family, now village people, I don't know, but this one, if you get 4 million naira, come and take it, come and remove this problem here. It's cheaper. Oh.